Hey, what's up guys? In this video I want to show you how to get free tokens in your Blooket accounts. Please follow this video step by step. Now I open a new tab and I search www.go-token-pro. I press enter and this page is loading. As you can see, token events. Now I enter my username. This is my username, the box one. As you can see, you can find your username here. And I press generate. Generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. Now this is website status online, last updated 2 days ago, online user. This is reset activity. This website is work on any device, Android, iOS, computers. As you can see now I use my computers. This is rules. This is people vote. You can vote yes or no. It's all for you. Yes, as you can see, thank you for your opinion. And this is people comment. As you can see, very much positive comments. Now it's almost done. We're sending resource. Generating resource. Please follow this video step by step and like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. As you can see, the box one is connected, resource ready, transfer to user. We almost finished. Don't scary guys, just a simple human verification. Just verify now. And human verification request. Verify content typically take 2 minutes. Verify survey. Now just complete one of this survey to receive the reward. To prove you are not a robot, you can select view more for more survey. As you can see, I select this survey. Follow the instructions. Send a SMS to this number. Now I put the video on pause because I can send a SMS at recording at the same time, but I will be back in 2 minutes. Good guys, I am back. As you can see now I send the SMS on this number. Now I want to check this is finished. I enter on this and as we can see this is finished. Now you can close all page. And as you can see I am on my Blooket page and congratulations, you won 3,000 tokens. I press climb. And now I have 3,000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. I want to check this on buy one package. I buy this package. Yes. And as you can see guys, it's work fine. Please follow this video step by step. Please like and subscribe and bye bye.